Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we are going to do the poem The Rebel composed by DJ Enright. So, before moving forward, we will discuss something like, do you have any friend who always goes opposite to you? For example, when you want to go outside and play, he wants to stay inside and play indoor games. Or when you like to dress beautifully, then he wants to look simple. So, this type of person you can call them rebel. Rebel is a person who always does opposite. Like if we want to rain outside, he wants a sunny day. So such a person who always goes opposite of what everybody wants to do. These persons are called rebel. So this poem is about such persons. So let's recite the poem and get into the poem. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. So, the rebel likes to have his hair long only when people have them short. However, if people have long hair, he keeps his hair short. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. You can notice in the class that when the teacher is teaching an important lesson, there would be a student who is silent at that time. Such a student, you can call him a rebel. But when there is pin drop silence in the class, he creates a noise to distract or to disturb others. So, the rebel are the persons of this kind. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in a fantastic clothes. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Similarly, on various such issues, the rebel would be seen contradicting others and doing things that no one would be doing. For example, he would refuse to wear the uniform when others would be wearing it. And when others are in wonderful and attractive clothes, he would like to wear the uniform to look different. Then, when in the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. In the company of cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So, when we are in the group of our friends and discussing that we all like dogs as a pet because they are faithful to their masters, the rebel would prefer cat. It is not like that he doesn't like dogs. Rather, he says so to be different from others. And when we all prefer cats, then he would have the view that dogs are better. So his preferences and choices never seem to match with anyone else in the group. Now, when everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need for the rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. Now, the poet goes on to offer examples of different instances in which the rebel behaves in similar ways. For example, even with the respect to the weather, it is difficult to bring the rebel on board because he would appreciate the sun while all others would be welcoming the rains. But he would miss the rain while others would be enjoying the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. So the poet further highlights that the rebels are usually alone. He says that the rebels are people who are usually all alone because they prefer to go on a different path than others. Like when others go for meeting, they prefer to stay in home and enjoy reading a good book. But when others enjoying at home, the rebel like to go to attend meetings outside. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. When everybody says no thank you, the rebel says yes please. Similarly, when everybody says no, we don't want that, he says yes. But when everybody says yes we want this, he says no thanks, I don't want that. So, it is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. These are the important lines in the poem because the poet thinks that having rebels around us is beneficial. So, what do you think? The poet says so? Children, the poet says so because the rebel tries to be different from others and they also train us to acknowledge differences. So, if we are in the company of rebels, there would be a scope for moving into different origins and discovering new things and create new ideas in our mind. But it is not good to be a rebel because the rebels are not accepted by the society. They are much opposed by the society or criticized by people for their negative thinking and attitude. So the poet says that we should appreciate a rebel sometime for his good thinking or for his different and creative thinking. But we should never behave like a rebel. So children, this is all about this poem, The Rebel. I hope this poem is clear to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.